Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to solve this Olympiad math question, okay? So I would like to ask you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So we have our equation is a, which is a power 3 plus a square equal to 36. So let's just rewrite our equation as a raised to the power 3 plus a square minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, we have this equation. What we need to see here is that this 36 can be written as 27 plus 8. Okay, so let's just rewrite our equation. We have a to the power 3 plus a square minus 27 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, this is our equation. So let's rewrite this again as a to the power 3 plus a square minus this 37 is again 3 raised to the power 3 minus 9, which is 3 square, okay, equal to 0. We have this. Now let's just group the terms which are power 3, okay. So we have here a to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3, okay, plus a square minus 3 square equal to 0. Okay, now we have this. We also need to see that this first one here is again, this is a to the power 3, a to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3. This is in fact equal to, this is equal to a minus 3 times a square, okay, plus 3a plus 9. Okay, we have this, because if you expand this one, you will still get the term here. Okay, also for this term, for this one, we can do the same thing. We have a square minus 3 square, which is equal to a minus 3 times a plus 3. Okay, now we are just going to replace this expansion in this equation here in order to find our solution a. So let's just replace it. So if you replace, we'll have the following equation. Let me write it like this. We'll have a minus 3 times a square plus 3a plus 9. Now plus this one here, a minus 3 times a plus 3 equal to 0. So this is what our equation becomes. So now just see that we have the common factor here. We have a minus 3 here, so we can pull it outside of our equation to have a minus 3 times all this. So we will have a square plus 3a plus 9 plus the term here a plus 3, okay, equal to 0. So what is this? This is again a minus 3 times, we have a square here plus 4a plus 12, okay, equal to 0. Okay, so if this product is equal to 0, this means that either we have a minus 3 is equal to 0, or a square plus 4a plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so the first equation means that we have a equal to 3. Let me Write it. We have the first solution, a equal to 3, okay, or the second one is a squared plus 4a plus 12 equal to 0. Now let's just solve the second equation. So let's solve it using delta, okay. So for the second equation, if we use delta here, we just have delta, which is b squared 4 square minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is 12, okay. So this is just 16 minus 48, okay. So what is this? This is again minus 32, okay. So you can directly see that minus 32 is equal to I for square root of 2 everything square, okay. So now this means that as our delta is negative, so we have two complex solutions. So the first one, let's call this one a1 here. So let's call our second and third solution a2 and a3, okay. So we have a2 is equal to minus b. We have b, which is equal to 4. So we have minus 4 plus the square root of delta, so plus I for square root of 2 divided by 2a. A is 1, so divided by 2. And the third solution is a3, which is equal to same thing, minus 4, now minus the square root of delta, divided by 2. So if we simplify this, we'll see that in fact we have our three solutions, which are a1 equal to 3, a2 equal to, if we simplify here, we'll have minus 2 plus I 2 square root of 2, and the third solution is a3, which is minus 2 minus I 2 square root of 2, okay. So our equation has complex solutions. Let's say complex solutions 3 and minus 2 plus or minus I 2 square root of 2, okay. So these are the solution to this our equation, a raised to the power 3 plus a square equal to 36, okay. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.